In this video, we'll show you how to do some Amazon inventory forecasting using Helium 10. The reason why this is important is as you start to improve your organic ranking of your product listing, the demand for your product will change drastically. And so in this example, we'll use laundry bags. For example, this keyword is large laundry bags. So as you can see, that the products that are showing up for this do $880,000 in revenue a month with roughly 86,000 unit sales a month. And you can see there's a big difference between what the average is what we have here. The average listing is $18,000 per month, while the top ones there's 91,000, 89,000, and it decreases from there. Because generally a potential customer will make a search, they'll click on the first 2 or 3, and they'll make a purchase from there. They're not going to be scrolling all the way down, and that's the reason why there's a decrease in monthly revenue for these ASINs that are not ranked at the top. And because of this, if you start improving your ranking, you're going to start having more sales. And as a seller, you're very well aware of, if you don't have the correct inventory, you're going to stock out, and that's something you never want to do on Amazon, especially as an FBA seller. So we're going to help with some understanding of how you can strategically plan and do some forecasting for your Amazon inventory as you plan to increase your ranking. So we have 3 listings. This first listing does 9,661 unit sales per month with almost $100,000 in monthly revenue. And just to be clear, this is ranked number 7 in laundry bags. As you can see, this one goes to 8, where it does 7,900 unit sales per month at $80,000. And then this one is ranked 14 in laundry bags, and you can see the quick drop off in unit sales and monthly revenue. So let's take a quick look at some of the keywords. So this will help you target which keywords you want to rank. Right? You can see what is the search volume and what are the keyword sales for particular keywords. And so, like for example, this one is ranked 4 or 12. And generally, if you increase to the top 3 position, top 2 position, you will have those numbers go drastically up. And so, like from this case, if this goes from 14 to 7, their unit sales will almost double. And so there's a couple ways to strategically plan this. Just a simple way is to do your unit sales divided by 30 to see how many units you sell per day. You already have that, so you don't really need this for your own product, but to estimate what unit sales are going to be per day if you can increase to number 7 for laundry bags, is you look at your competitor in this position, or let's say you want to be in the 4th position. That's your goal. You go run their numbers, you see what's the unit sales, what's their, divide that by 30, and you can see, okay, this is how many unit sales we have per day if we got there. You can see what your current inventory levels are and just strategically plan that out. Now you might look at your inventory level and like, okay, right, we currently have only 2 months worth of inventory and we only sell 8,000. If we were going to, and our lead time is 1 month, so if we improve to 7, we're essentially going to sell out and not be able to fulfill any future orders. So maybe your next purchase from your manufacturer, you double your standard rate, and then once that order is en route to come into the United States, then you can start focusing on ranking and help improve to get to number 7, so you don't run out once you start doing roughly 9,000 units per month. This is just a quick calculations. If you really want to do it, there's some formulas you can do with some spreadsheets, and not only by just something like laundry bags, but you can really target by whichever keywords you are. Like It all depends on what your current rankings are for these keywords. It's all case by case and really what you want to target. It's highly suggested you don't want to target everything. You want to start off by targeting 3 or 4 keywords, ones that you're probably in the top 10 for already in organic ranking, as you can just move the needle a little easier. And once you've got there and you've held that position, you can start targeting other keywords. Just a quick demonstration of how you can use Helium 10 for Amazon inventory forecasting.